Hey everyone, welcome back to the another session by Sybrix Labs. Tanishk here, and Sybrix Labs is back with another brand new agentic mode called Testforge. So let's see what it is and how it works. Let's move to the computer screen now. So here we are inside the VS Code, and just like code sweep or single sweep, you will be finding Testforge inside the Palm tab and inside the modes drop down. And also for the Testforge, you need to provide Oasis the context. Okay, so first providing the context of the project with which we will be working. So with the chatbot we will be working for now, and let's move to the Palm tab. So now what actually is the Testforge? Testforge is your code reviewing companion that reviews your files and applications and helps detecting the hidden bugs, weak spots, and the missing validations. So all this helps you out in detecting whether your current files, code, and the application is production ready, production safe, and so that you can move towards the production without any hesitation. So let's select the Testforge here, and on selecting I have got the new drop down. From there let's select the page.tsx file and just send it. So now the Testforge will be going through my code and will be analyzing it. How much ready is it for the production? So yes, the result I have got, the strengths are okay. So simple clean structure, minimal logic, reduces risk of the bugs. Layout is accessible and responsive. Okay. Critical issues, now focus on here. No error handling, as you can see, this is the code just okay. So no error handling and no suspense logic if chatbot is a sync function. So here, if this chatbot.tsx is async, then we are not handling over here. Okay, so no SEO optimization as we are moving towards the production, so our application needs to be SEO optimized. Okay, so it has told us it has dependency on chatbot.tsx. So in the next step, it has told us ki we need to analyze this file also. Okay, so here I have just given the page.tsx, and you can also give the complete project. Okay, then it will be going through each and every file inside the project. So but here I have just given the page.tsx, then too it has detected that the file depends on the chatbot. So can we analyze the next file as chatbot? Okay, so let's analyze it and let's wait for the result. So yes, the result is here for the chatbot as well. Okay, so okay, so here, yes, handles async API calls. Let's see, let's move towards the chatbot. Okay, yes, so API call. Okay, so it awaits the fetch API chat route. Handles async API calls with a bot support. Okay, input sanitizations reduces basic accesses risk. Okay, nice. Critical issues, incomplete input sanitizations, users can spam API with rapid input. Okay, so everything that is required for the production you got here. Okay, and now you can work on this using the Oasis only. So now the dependency is on the route, which is the API chat endpoint. So okay, so now you can select the file from here, the route, and you can analyze this as well. If the Oasis has not given the next, so you can choose from here, and let's send it and let's wait. Okay, strict content type, parameters, validations, handle, course, And okay, critical issues: no API key validation and excessive logging, no input sanitizations, accepts any string as message, possible prompt injections or abuse. So you can see how efficiently it has analyzed our files, and now it has told कि next you can go to the chatbot to analyze it also. Okay, so very efficiently it has analyzed our files, and I think this is very much beneficial, and in future we will be incorporating more features in this Testforge so that you can directly uh, implement these critical issues, and you can work over these from here directly. For now, whatever the issues you are getting, and you can use these, copy these from here, and then select the single sweep or anything and provide the prompt. Single sweep or code sweep will do the further work for you. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more updates on Oasis AI and Testforge agentic mode. Happy coding.